What's up, guys? It's Bones, and today I just want to give you a quick review on this dog seat cover I got on Amazon. So first, I just give you an unboxing, show you what's in it, and then I'm going to go throw it in my pickup and show you what it looks like in there, as well as putting my dog in there so you can kind of get a reference of seeing how big or small and how it fits inside my pickup to give you guys kind of a rough idea of what it might be like in your vehicle. All right, let's unbox it. Comes with a seat belt harness for your dog. I have one of these already, but if you don't have one of these are pretty nice if you just need to keep your dog a little stationary in the back. Not the most high quality one, but for this price, I don't expect it to either. So, I mean, cool it's in there, but the inside of this seat cover is pretty grippy. I've had one of these in my car in the past, and it's eventually just started wearing out, so I was due for a new one here. These go inside your seats to keep it from slipping out. I'll show you how to install those when I bring it out to the pickup here. You have your pockets here where your seat belt buckles come through right here, so you slide that through there. Or if you don't need them, then you can just have it fully closed. Supposedly it's waterproof. I doubt that it's waterproof. It's probably more like water resistant. You know, if your dog hops up on your seat with like wet feet, you know, it'll prevent it from going through there. But I mean, if you spill like, you know, a whole drink on this or something, I don't imagine it's going to prevent it from going through. You just have your two harnesses around the top. This goes over the back of your seat. I'll show you how to install that in a second. All right, I'm gonna bring this out to my pickup and I'll put it in for you guys. Let's do it. All right, now that we're out here in my garage, I'm gonna put this seat cover in for you. I don't think it'll take too long. I already have my existing dog harness seat belt. This is a lot nicer one. I can include a link in the description for this one as well, guys. This one's been really good for me, but that's a whole different review. Okay, let's put this thing in, show you what it looks like. All right, so you have these buckles. You'll undo this, and you'll put these around your back headrests here. You might need to make them a little longer to fit your need. Go from there. This is where it might be a little trial and error, just figuring out what your vehicle is, and everybody's vehicle is going to be a little bit different. This is a universal seat cover, so it'll fit a lot of different types of vehicles. Remember those seat anchors I was telling you about? That is these little guys right here. It looks like a handle, but what you do is you wedge this in between your seat backrest and where you actually sit on the seat. And that way it keeps it in place from sliding around or pulling out. So I can't really get a great shot for you, but hopefully this does justice. You're gonna take this little piece and, like I said, wedge it underneath your seat and behind your backrest. There also is this elastic piece here. This will just go underneath the bottom of your seat, and that kind of keeps it in place, kind of like a fitted sheet would on a bed. As you can see, for a universal fit, fits pretty good here. I have a Nissan Frontier. The back seat here is not huge by any means. If you had like a full-size pickup or even like a huge SUV, this specific one might not be big enough for your needs, but it fits my use. But overall fits pretty good here. I'm gonna grab my dog so you can see what it looks like. All right, you can see that she's in here. Everything fits fine. Like I said, it is a universal fit, so every vehicle is going to be different. Uh, it's not going to be an absolute perfect fit for everything, but it will work. For the price, I can't be upset with it. The last one I had lasted multiple years before it got too worn in. But yeah, the straps on this are tight. Like I said, it's going to be just fine, I think. And hopefully you guys found this quick review helpful. If you like this type of content, maybe consider subscribing.